Shabbat Vayeyshev is, of course, dominated by Yosef, Joseph, and what happens to him. There are questions. The question is, if Yaakov favored Yosef so much and was aware that the brothers resented it because he was the younger one, why then did he send him on this mission to follow the brothers into the desert or into wherever they were, with the full knowledge that Yosef was telling stories about them to him, and that if he did, the likelihood was that the brothers would not be happy to see him? One argument is to say that Yaakov sensed that Yosef was destined for some divine mission. This would explain many things about the story as it unfolds. But on the other hand, there's always a logical and a rational message as well as the mystical one. Here it seems to me that we have reinforcement of the idea that although traditionally Judaism values the firstborn, and in Jewish law, biblical law, the firstborn may have had a double portion, and the firstborn was, in a sense, a symbol of what is going to happen in Egypt when the firstborn of Pharaoh are destroyed. Nevertheless, the greater message is that leadership is something that depends on human qualities. That a meritocracy, in the end, always is preferable to hereditary. We have both. We have the idea of hereditary in Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and the 12 tribes, and the history of our link to the past through this aristocracy of being Jewish. And yet at the same time, we know that leadership always requires very special qualities. Yosef showed those qualities. He's going to show those qualities time and time again. And in the end, Jacob is going to prefer Ephraim to Manasseh. He's going to prefer appointing Judah to be, or saying that Judah is going to be the leader over Reuven, much as he values the idea of heredity. In the same way, he values the idea of the meritocracy, of the best person for the job. Shabbat Shalom.